forget it. Like what after going back home, you might be busy in holidays or playing with your friends. But don't waste your time. Just write down or noting down whatever you have learned in this camp and try to introspect where we are. Like what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, and try to work on it. Like here we were able to work for 4 hours daily, but I don't know how much time you are working when you are alone at home. So self-study is extremely important. Don't force your parents to force you. Please, chalo, prepare karo. Don't ask them. But it's your responsibility to start self-work. And I think almost like 4 to 5 hours you have to spend on your own if you want to aim for Grandmaster title or World Champion. So please do well. And all my best wishes to all the kids here and to the organizers. It was a very wonderful opportunity for me to. It was my first camp, offline camp. I really enjoyed, and all these kids are extremely talented, smart. Just that they have to get a little bit push where they will perform well. And I'm sure you'll do well. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhakti Kulkarni. Now I request Nurmadavan Tarka Chess Treasurer Sri Mudarik Naik to give token of love from MPCA to Bhakti Kulkarni. If any parents want to ask any questions or any suggestions they want to give, they can give now.
For giving us an opportunity to get a Arjuna awarding trainer, player to guide my kids who are extremely helpful. And also for the Centenary Club, I would like to thank because most of their efforts are towards encouraging the classical game plus material. And I think at least few clubs are doing that. And in next weekend, I think we can have a tournament will be organized over there. Thanks for that initiative. Okay, so the question to and now we had a camp. This was the first camp. Okay. If this kid wants to have a second camp, okay, what are the topics that needs to be there? Then they need to focus or that will be covered in your camp.
I think mostly my focus would be on calculation because chess is I think 90% of calculation. You have to keep calculating, and then we can include topic like prophylaxis. Yeah, because nowadays I think all the top level, if you follow the games of Grandmasters, World Champions, they think what opponent wants to do. This is like one of the important questions what they ask them. Like, what is my opponent's idea? What he wants to do? And they try to stop. But the prophylaxis and calculation is most of the important thing.
Is there any technique for prophylaxis that they learn?
You have to constantly and consciously ask like what he wants to do, and also study some games of cargo, which are the cargo.
And last question regarding the end games, because I think most of us are short in end game preparation and position.
Yeah, it's a very good question. Nowadays, I think nobody, or I would say hardly somebody, focuses on end games because people think that studying end games is old type of way of studying, or it's boring. There is no practice, there is no skill. So I am totally against it. I think if you want to be an overall good player, you have to study end games because that improves your technique. I would suggest some good books like Goretsky Manual. There are like so many grandmasters have written books on end games. Telfenser or Yakub Agar. So you can just study them. But it's important to study end games.
Anybody want to ask any questions?
As you said the names, as you said the names of those books, can you please share it on the group because we are in a group now,
Definitely.
and please so that we can definitely go ahead with it.
Definitely.
Yes, thank you.
हेलो चेस फ्रेंड, ऑल इंडिया साइकिल टूर फॉर चेस का मेरा ये आज 7वां दिन है और मैं इधर 2 दिन से वास्को सिटी में हूँ। और वास्को सिटी में हमारा मतलब एक यूनिक ऐसा एक चेस एकेडमी है। उसका नाम है सेंटेनरी चेस एकेडमी। और सेंटेनरी चेस एकेडमी के सीनियर कोच मिस्टर अवजीत रे सर जी आज हमसे थोड़ा इंटरेक्ट करेंगे कि इनका चेस क्लब के बारे में, मतलब चेस एकेडमी जो है सेंटेनरी चेस एकेडमी, उसके बारे में हमें थोड़ी जानकारी देंगे। नमस्ते सर।
नमस्ते। सेंट्रल चेस एकेडमी हम लोग ये 2023 में मार्च के टाइम पे एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुआ था। एक्चुअली मैं और मेरा दो फ्रेंड एक्चुअली हम लोग पेरेंट्स हैं, तो तीन फ्रेंड मिलके डिसाइडेड वन डे कि Vasco City there's a no place for the player to for practice, you know, and there's a lack of practice. They're suffering in national level, so and state level, physically national level. So, parents push parents because it's very difficult for time, you know, for the parents to get the time. So, हम लोग तीन को तो मिलके हम लोग ने चेस एकेडमी, क्लब का एकेडमी हम लोगों ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था।
Sir, namaste. You supported chess in Moscow with Centenary Chess Club. Kindly explain your experience with Centenary Club.
It was really wonderful experience. In fact, I was not much interested in chess, but since this Centurion club, the members of this club, Pushpashil Ray, Avijit Ray, and Pushpashil Satardekar, they approached me and they were in need of some premises. So I gave my office because office is working from 8 to 6 o'clock. So I said after 6 o'clock you can utilize this office, and this office is given to them without any rent and as such, free of cost. So after meeting them, I attended 2-3 functions of this Centurion club, and I found the children are taking much interest, and the parents also taking so much interest to upgrade their children. And our main motive is to bring our Indian small children to the chess for the chess game and bring them up to the state level or international level, so that they can, our Indian name can be highlighted, and the more medals we can get for the tournaments.
Sir, Centenary Club is going to organize much more camp, IM camp, JM camp like this. You keep supporting like this, sir. And,
Yes, Centurion Club is now recently I found they are doing so many activities, so many tournaments, and not only the chess tournament, as it is the cycling also they promote. And recently you came from Belgaum with the cycle to promote the chess. It is really appreciated effort from yourself, and we'll definitely support the Centurion Club for any other activities also.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
जो सीनियर कोचेस या सीनियर प्लेयर्स हैं उनके साथ मिलके ऐसे कैंप करना चाहेंगे। सेंटेनरी चेस एकेडमी, सेंटेनरी चेस क्लब, ये जो क्लब है ये दिस इज बीन सपोर्टेड बाय श्री विजय चौगुले जी, और MPCA मोरमुगांव तालुका चेस एसोसिएशन, ये दोनों इन दोनों के हेल्प से we have formed this club, and we are organizing such activities like पिछले 1 साल से हमने बहुत सारे टूर्नामेंट किए हैं, ऑल इंडिया लेवल, ऑल गोवा लेवल, तालुका लेवल. सो इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो we'd like to organize such camps and such activities wherein it will be beneficial. We are this club. We are also interested in starting various centers across Goa. We have already started a center in near MES College. So in near future we are going to start Centenary Academy near your city like Panji, Madgaon, Mapsa, and Fonda. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your experience.